Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be discussing the S&P 500 because we've been getting a lot of questions about the S&P 500 and which companies are now actually included. So today we're going to be showing you which biggest companies that are included in the S&P 500. Let's go. So guys, first off, let's have a look at the current value of the S&P 500 shares. So as you see, of course, we're using DEGIRO, and this is a screenshot taken from DEGIRO actually on the 8th of October, so just so you know. And at that time, the S&P 500 Vanguard VUSA ETF was trading at around 72 euros, a little bit more than 72 euros, and that was on that day at least a 0.5% decrease of the value of the previous day. As you can see right on the screenshot, for your ease, I can show you right here. So we've put a filter on the 1 year, or how to say it, like the overview, we've created that on the 1 year period. So you see that this is the price of the last year from this moment. And then you see that the lowest value it was traded for was around 53 euros. And the highest was around 73 euros, my bad. So as you see, that's already a 20 euros increase of the value a year ago, which let me quickly calculate, that's actually around 30% already. Getting actually quite a lot of money closing in on the 75 euros mark, which it hasn't been traded for ever. So if that would happen, that would be great, of course. But at least know that it was trading at around 72 euros. If you also want to invest in DEGIRO, it's a very easy to use platform. We've been using it for a lot, actually for I don't know how many years already personally, and now we've also been using it for inside investing, and it's been a great platform to use. So if you want to use DEGIRO as your broker, please use the link down in the description. And to give you a little bit of an overview of the biggest companies, that's a lot, because there's actually a lot of big companies. It's also about how you define companies, if they're big or not. It could be the amount of people that work, or the amount of products that they produce, or the amount of profit that they make. So this at least gives an overview of a lot of the very common names: Tesla, Amazon, Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. All of these are actually included in the S&P 500. But I think that you probably want to get some more details, so let's give you some more details. And here you see FinVis, the financial visualization. This is one of our platforms that we really like to use because this makes it so easy to understand which companies are included, as you see. So let's see if I can zoom in, then we go into the specifics, but let's have a look, guys. So as I mentioned, Microsoft Corporation is included. Apple is included. Google, you see all of these big blocks, so those are the companies that are included for a large percentage. We see Facebook, Google, Twitter as well. Amazon, right there's Amazon, Tesla. We've got the Home Depot, of course. All of our American viewers probably know this. And then let's see at the financials. So you see all of the different branches or markets that are included. So technology, communication services, consumer cyclical, defensive, real estate, utilities, industrials, healthcare, financial. So a lot of different markets are included, and that's why we like this so very much, guys. This is why we like the S&P 500, because it's focused on the US, that's correct, but it has a lot of different companies included, and that's honestly from our side great. So let's have a look which other companies we see. We see some MasterCard as well. We see Visa, we see PayPal Holdings. Let's have a look at the insurance diver. So this is Berkshire Hathaway. At the Hartford Financial Services Group, honestly don't know that too well. Let's have a look at the capital markets. Morgan Stanley. From the bank diversified, we see JP Morgan and Chase. We see Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup as well. Oh, so many companies included, guys. So many companies included. Let's look at the healthcare. And you see it, by the way, changing because the market is currently being traded. So that's why you see the numbers change, just so you know. And here you can see how good they're doing on their one-day performance. So if it's red, then today's comparison to yesterday was a loser, or I think green, that means that it's trading better than yesterday. Let's go to the top of the screen. Google, Facebook, Twitter, we've discussed those already. We see the Walt Disney Company as well, Netflix, Comcast, we see Charter Communications. Let's go to telecom services. So that's Verizon, that's AT&T, and T-Mobile US as well. Looking at the healthcare general, so these are all the sorts of different drug manufacturers. Johnson & Johnson, we see Eli Lilly and Company, we see Merck & Co, we see Pfizer. Let's have a look. Yeah, some other companies as well, but those are, I think, the biggest. And we see United Health Group Incorporated. We see Abbott included as well, Medtronic, Stryker. Let's look at the so this is a little bit of less, at least I honestly don't know all of these companies as well, but a lot of different smaller healthcare companies as well. Let's go to a few of the bigger ones. So let's go to the right top screen. So that's Amazon. We see eBay, or it's very small there, but eBay is there and Etsy is there as well. Then on the top right, we see Tesla, we see GM as well as Ford Motor Company. The Home Depot, noticed them a few minutes ago as well. We see Lowe's Company, which restaurants are included: Starbucks, McDonald's, if you want to get a cheeseburger, Chipotle, and then top right, so that's mainly Nike. Let's see which other big ones we have. Las Vegas Sands Company, American Tower Company, we see Crown Castle International Corporation, Equinix, Prologis from the REITs, so that's the real estate, which we also honestly own one of these ETFs from. Let's go down a little bit, because these are a lot of small companies, Duke Energy and Next Energy, ExxonMobil is included, Chevron is included, Kinder Morgan, we see Marathon Petroleum Corporation, Linde, the UPS, FedEx, and I think, let me see, did we miss any big one? Semiconductors, I think we didn't discuss these in too much detail. So we've got Nvidia, which of course is a very large company. We see Broadcom as well, the Texas Instrument Company Incorporated, my bad. Qualcomm, we see Micron Technology. Let's have a look. AMD is there as well. NXP Semiconductors, Microchip Technology Incorporated, and Intel. A big one is Intel, of course. Salesforce, ServiceNow, Accenture, Fidelity, Cisco. Let's have a look. Yeah, and this one, I thought to finish with that one. Apple, Microsoft, Adobe, Oracle. And then, yeah, honestly, the favorite, of course, Berkshire Hathaway, of our big friend and one of the guys that we definitely admire. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, and then let's quickly go back. Give me 1 second. So we hope at least we gave you some details for now. If you want to see some more videos, then definitely subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. That definitely helps out supporting the channel grow in the upcoming period. And what we really want to do now is increase our position. That's the next thing that we are going to be doing. We want to be increasing the position that we currently have, because honestly, we do feel that we have a little bit too little of S&P 500. As you see, there's a lot of different strong, large companies. Also looking at the past year, how it performed, it's honestly been a crazy ride for the last year. So what we really want to do is increase our position, and we're going to do that in one of the next videos. So if you want to see that, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, if you've got any questions on the S&P 500, if you want anything for us to discuss on the S&P 500, leave them down in the comments, and just like we did today, we're gonna make a video about the question that you have if you want to. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.